Nature communicates in a distinct way, employing an intricate tapestry of signs, interrelationships, and patterns. Whether it's the gentle rustle of leaves or the rhythmic dance of tides, its dialogue encompasses a diverse array of intricate systems. Understanding its language requires keen observation and attunement to our senses, going beyond human words. This language is rooted in the interconnectedness of all living beings and the harmonious rhythms of the earth. While not a literal language, it speaks to our hearts and souls, evoking emotions, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. By cultivating a deeper connection and sensitivity to nature, we can begin to interpret its messages and gain wisdom. Through active observation, deep listening, and attunement, we unravel its intricate tapestry. As we learn to perceive and interpret nature's language, we unlock a wealth of knowledge and understanding. We gain insights into seasons, our behaviors, and ecosystem balance. It helps us appreciate our place in the natural world and fosters a sense of reverence and stewardship for the earth. Though different from human communication, nature's language touches our innermost being. By embracing its messages and wisdom, we embark on a profound journey of connection, discovery, and harmony with the natural world. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to cultivate the willingness to listen and receive nature's wisdom.